This is Maria. Maria has just got a promotion. She's now the Chief Audit Executive for a mid-size internal audit function.
How can I assess where my team currently stands in terms of conformance with the IPPF standards? How can I set ambitious but realistic goals for the future? How can I make sure we're doing the best we can?
Don't worry, Maria. The Internal Audit Ambition Model will help you. A task force of IIA Netherlands designed a self-assessment model. It supports Chief Audit Executives in working out what level their team is currently operating at and gives guidance for improving. It's designed to help you decide on your ambitions and create a roadmap to realize them. It's also a great communication tool to assist dialogue between the board and the audit committee.
Okay, let me see.
Perfect. Now you've assessed where your team currently is and where you want to get to. All you need to do now is make a plan for how to get there. The ambition model provides you with some stepping stones to go from one level to the next. After this, discussing your results and ambitions with the board is a piece of cake.
Got it. This sounds great. How can I start working with the model?
Get in touch with your local institute or email ambition@iia.nl to get access to the tool.